रही थी. Hi guys, welcome to me. Wow. Hi guys. Hello.
गाइस हम ठीक लग रहा है? ये ठीक है?
Hi guys.
पीछे आ जाता है वैसे का पीछे आ जा. ओके गाइस, इट्स क्वाइट समथिंग आई मस्ट से. यार मैं चकी द डॉल तो निकले. ये लाइटिंग ऐसा नहीं लग रहा आशीर्वाद आटे में मोटा क्या? Am I not looking whitey? Okay, so hi. Hi guys, so today we'll be going to different matcha places in Jaipur and we'll be trying all the matchas. Only 3 actually.
One from each.
One, yes, share.
Or 2 from each. अच्छा,
No,
sharing.
no, share. Hello.
It's brokenness season. Train आ रही है.
उधर आ रही है ना. We're at a very dangerous place. हम रेलवे के साइड में. Still we're risking our lives to make this beautiful vlog with you beautiful guys, दोस्तों. We'll be trying 3 different matcha places in Jaipur. Matcha is so happening in Jaipur. But Isha, what we will do? We will not diss any matcha place because building a business is so hard. तो हम सब जगह जाके एक honest feedback देंगे in detail like a chef. We'll tell you how it tastes. We're not going to tell if it's good or bad. We will give personal ratings. We will just rate it. Good, bad, adjectives cancel. We'll just be telling if what kind of taste it has. ठीक है?
Okay.
You understood the plot? Yes, she did. She did. So now the first place we'll be going to is. Guys, Isha drive कर रही है. जान हथेली पे है. नहीं नहीं. Kidding.
ड्राइव करती है.
It's a very nice matcha.
Matcha place.
It's a very nice matcha place. I absolutely love it and it's quite reasonable. We're going to be trying their matcha today and we'll tell you how it is.
इनका food is also very nice.
Thanks. God thanks. Please let the camera stay.
We went to 3 different matcha places in Jaipur.
देखकर.
First हम पियेंगे मिदोरी की matcha. It's the Einspanner matcha.
साथ में बोलो Einspanner. मिलके बोलो Einspanner. Just want to bring it to your notice that Midori is the only place which happens to give us a branded poly and it is a hangout place. We always go there to have matcha. We have tried this before and it's our most favorite matcha from Midori and Midori is our number 2 most favorite place. Yeah.
मेरे लिए तो number 1 is tied between Akari and Midori.
It's tied? I thought it's Akari.
For me it's tied because I really like this matcha, bro. It's a penguin जैसा figure drinking from a...
The reason that I said we're not going to say any matcha is bad or any place is bad, there are 2 reasons to it. एक तो we picked top 3 places any which ways in Jaipur because we didn't want to go all around the city. And second thing is we know how hard it is to build a business and all of them have started recently only. I think within the past 6 months or year, within the last year. So we'll be honest about how they taste, but we won't be dissing it. Kung Fu Panda.
Sorry.
Straw को kick.
First you have to mix it क्योंकि ये वाली it has some vanilla foam thing, vanilla caramel foam and वो बहुत thick है तो इससे mix नहीं होता आसानी से.
And it's quite sweet, I must tell you before. And I generally stick to OG vanilla latte, but my most favorite from Midori is birthday cake. Hers is Einstein. Great.
Cheerleader.
First, we'll let Isha try. Is there something? Is there something beautiful, wonderful,
Amazing.
magnificent?
Yeah.
Did you ask them to make it less sweet?
नहीं.
Last time was more sweeter, na?
I think it was because वो foam mix नहीं हुआ था तो ज़्यादा foam आया था in this.
It's very light. It doesn't taste grassy at all, and it's perfectly sweet. I don't like a lot of sweetness in any of my drinks, so it's good.
Very nice, good quality matcha also. क्योंकि I did not like matcha in the past.
Me neither. I've never
Tried
liked
it.
matcha. I only tried at Akari and I was like, shit, this is so good. And then I've tried in Jaipur a couple of places. Other than that, I don't like matchas of any fast food chain ka I don't like at all. I like standalone businesses. For matcha, I think they're always the best. Anyways,
She's also tried Delhi ki some places ki very popular matchas. She did not like.
I tried Bombay also. Nothing I like. Never. I think you should come to Jaipur to try matcha. This was number 1 flavor. Would be a 7.5 for me.
For me, it's a 9 on 10. Huge success.
Huge success. Number 2 is Akari. Opens. So this is Akari. My most favorite from Akari is again OG latte, but I really like their white Swiss chocolate. Yeah, that's my favorite from there. This time we're trying butter cookie. So let's see how
This
it is.
is a new flavor.
Which one is your favorite from Akari?
I'd say OG vanilla latte or
Spirulina.
vanilla cold foam. I don't get the spirulina hype, honestly.
I really like spirulina. It tastes exactly how it's named, and it also tastes like popcorn. It is unique. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite.
Acha. I really like it. I really like it.
Tell them more about the matcha, because we're not going to say good or bad.
Very familiar. I can't put my finger on it.
Doesn't it taste like popcorn? This very rich in flavor, and Akari is a really good brand. This is 8.5 for me.
Same, 8.5.
This is a new place in Jaipur. It's called
Doppler.
It's called Doppler, and apparently the interior is really good. I haven't tried their food or anything, but the ambience is also really nice, and it is recommended by quite a few people, so we're trying it for the first time.
If it's your first time trying matcha किसी भी place का, तो I think vanilla is a good judge of the quality of matcha.
True. Always try
Benchmark.
classic first, and honestly try from a recommended place, because when I tried matcha, I never liked it for a very long period of time. I happened to try Akari, and my idea about matcha changed. And also it's a very good substitute for coffee, because for me caffeine hits like anything. So if I have coffee, I'm unable to sleep no matter what, so I don't want anything that's so strong. Matcha I think is less caffeine. I'm not sure
I think
about
it hits you slower.
and it also, I can still go to sleep if I have matcha, but I don't know if I can sleep if I have 3 matcha.
ग्लाइसीमिक इंडेक्स का कोई कैफीन वर्जन होता है, तो आई थिंक मतलब ये माचा का कैफीन इट डजंट हिट यू एज इंटेंसली एज कॉफी का कैफीन,
And it is for sure an acquired taste. You can't.
and it's also very expensive hobby to hold your thoughts, save your thoughts पहले.
Hold your thoughts. I'll ask you a question. Actually, you tell yourself.
I'd say it's very decent, मतलब बहुत average. I'd give it a 5. It's
Either.
just at the threshold of being okay. Hello? आधे पौन घंटे में मेड ने हमें धोखा दे दिया, हमारे बर्तन भरे पड़े हैं.
तो बर्तन धोने का जाके?
नहीं, मुझे खाना
Guys, हम
नहीं
भले ही
थी.
matcha पीते हो, धोने में बर्तन ही पड़ता है. Anyways, what I was talking about this matcha is, ये गाड़ी किसकी है? The only thing is, because you pay so much for matcha, it has to be worth it. So you shouldn't. It's not okay. Guys for watching our vlog. Thank you guys for watching our vlog. I hope you really liked it. So please like, share and subscribe and comment. Oh, Isha so wonderful. Oh, Harshita, you are so wonderful.
प्लीज हमारी तारीफ करो.
Hate देंगे तो आप ब्लॉक कर दिए जाएंगे हर सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म से. I just want to say कि thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Welcome to our channel. Third. हरिओम.
मैंने सिप लिया और मेरे सांस में चला गया, फिर उसके साथ एयर चली गई.
बस तेरा हो गया, दे दे. ये ले ले.
इट्स अ वंडरफुल. क्या करके दिया स्ट्रॉ. एक से लुक एट दिस, ऑल दिस डस्ट ऑन दिस स्ट्रॉ.
निकाल मत.
निकाल मत तो क्या, इसी से पीऊं. दूसरी स्ट्रॉ डिसइंटीग्रेट हो चुकी है.
इतनी गंदगी है.
सीधे पीऊंगी। पूरे लगाते हुए गई है वो भी हैंड रेस्ट के सरफेस पे।
इस हो गया ईशा ऐसी, और इसने इतनी कातिलाना हरकत करी है अपनी स्टोर। कैसे पीऊं इससे? कैसे
ये वाली यार प्लीज स्टॉप दिस,
डूब गई।
प्लीज स्टॉप दिस पेपर स्ट्रॉ नॉनसेंस ब्रो। पेपर स्ट्रॉज यूज करने से एनवायरनमेंट सेव नहीं होगा। दैट विल ओनली हैपन once you
बी अ बेटर पर्सन इन जनरल।
नहीं, ये बिग कॉर्पोरेशन जो पोल्यूशन फैला रहे हो उनको आप अकाउंटेबल होल्ड करो।
या हमको क्यों परेशान कर रहे हो? हमारी स्ट्रॉ डूब रही है। हमको बम्बू की स्ट्रॉ,
यार बैम्बू स्ट्रॉज आर गुड ऑल्टरनेटिव, वरना
बम्बू की महंगी आती है।
यार ये पेपर स्ट्रॉ नॉनसेंस है।
ओजी स्ट्रॉ लाटे हो जीजा,
हमने होजीचा भी ट्राई करी है।
हो जीजा।
किसकी जीजा? हो जीजा।
लेट्स मेक इट अबाउट माचा। माचा का हो गया है, वो एपिसोड खत्म हो गया। ये अब अपन ड्रिंक्स पे मुझे अभी भी थॉट है अपन को बैठ के रिएक्शन वीडियोस करनी चाहिए। वो अपन नेक्स्ट टाइम करेंगे, यूट्यूब वो घर पे करेंगे गाड़ी में।
किस चीज को रिएक्ट करेंगे?
बस वो गंदे मीम्स